That is awesome. GS Tommy on the Rancho Deluxe. It is 11/13/2023. This is your after video. She was pretty extremely fouled up down there. I noted all your zincs need to be replaced. You have a 612 diver's plate on your transom. You have 2 on each side, starboard and port side, 1 3/4 shaft sinks, so a total of 4 1 3/4 shaft sinks. Then you have the 2 small square ones on your trim tabs. So I'm going to point those out. Pretty much every one of your zincs is all gone. You got a little bit, like a very, very little bit on your diver's plate, your transom zinc. But I reamed all your through holes, got it all taken care of. Your bow thruster, got it deep inside of there. Trying to think of anything else noteworthy. But let's have a look at her, and I'll point at things down there and knock on them if I see something out of ordinary. Let's go have a look at your running gear first, and then we'll do the hull and the bow thruster up front. What I just pointed out right there on both of the trim tabs, that's where that little square zinc goes. It's completely missing, so I just wanted to let you know why those bolts are loose and sitting there. Alright. I think I got everything in the video. I didn't see anything extra out of the ordinary besides that nice little 3-pound catfish that was cruising the bottom of it. Once again, always a pleasure. Thank you for choosing DS Diving.